The instructor in this video is Mark Y. Calabdan. He graduated at the University of San Carlos as a biologist and is currently finishing his doctorate degree in biology. Sir Mark will be demonstrating on how to prepare the medicinal plant for home remedy use. And the highlights of the video tutorial are as follows.
Okay, good morning. This is the preparation for home remedy for Ampalaya, also known as Mumordica charantea. Okay, there are three major steps in which to prepare or to make use of the leaves of Ampalaya, because it is the leaves that are used for home remedy, specifically as anti-diabetic. And there are three types of preparation. First, you can prepare it through tea infusion. Okay, this is just a very simple step. You just have to have equal parts of the plant part and mix it with equal parts of water, hot water. Okay, so this is just a rough estimate anyway, so in that way. And you basically have to simply add hot water. Okay, so in almost equal parts as to the level of the leaves in the container, or in this case your glass, drinking glass. Okay, and allow it to infuse for around 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so that's the tea infusion part of preparing for Mumordica charantea home remedy. Next preparation is the topical application of the leaves. Okay. Okay. You can use the leaves can be eaten raw, fresh, but you just have to make sure that it is properly crushed. Okay, so I have here a mortar and pestle, kitchen mortar and pestle, and you just have to simply crush the leaves, okay, in rotary motion. Okay, just a rough crush, okay, just to ensure that you're able to see extract from the leaves. And then this particular paste can be chewed or eaten raw. Okay. Another preparation for home remedy related to Mumordica charantea or Ampalaya is to do decoction. Decoction is a process in which a plant part is submerged in a boiling water to extract the nutrients or the important medical substance coming from the plant part. So in this case, we'll be using leaves and we'll just allow it to boil in hot water. Okay, so we have here more or less boiling water. Okay, and allow the plant leaves to be submerged there and allow decoction to happen. Okay, you just simply have to wait for the plant part to wilt and then eventually produce certain coloration to the water, the boiling water, because it is the boiling water that will be consumed or ingested for its medicinal purpose to be maximized. Okay, we'll add more leaves here. Okay, just to create more coloration to the decoction. So it's just simple. Should you wish to prepare enough water, so there it is now, it's almost green looking. Okay, you simply have to prepare one part of the plant material at the same time, 1:1, one part plant material and one part water. Okay, the term part here is basically a rough estimate as to how many the amount of the important reagents here that will be used. So more or less equal parts of the plant part and then equal parts of water. And you can see now there's coloration, and then it is the water that will be consumed or drink for its medicinal purpose.